17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
19 present, sir.
20,
20 not there, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28, 29,
Present, sir. 29.
30,
8
31, 28 present. Saw you are only.
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31, no, only left the meeting. 32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39, 40, 41,
Present, sir.
42,
Present, sir.
43, 44,
Present, sir.
45, 46, 47, 48,
Present, sir.
48 present, sir.
47 also, 49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52, 53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir. Present, sir. 54.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir. 56. Sir, 56 present, sir.
okay, 57 present, 58 present, 59,
58 present, sir.
Present, sir. 59
okay,
present, sir.
58 present, sir.
okay, sir, I see you.
59 present.
59, 60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
60, you only telling where is 61? 61, 62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65, 66,
Yes, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
68, 69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present,
78,
sir.
okay, 78,
78 present, sir. 78
79,
present, sir.
okay, ma'am. 79,
Present, sir.
531 present, sir.
what are you doing up to now?
Sir, even 561, sir. I got reconnected just now.
31, you came and went off.
Sir,
Yes,
552,
sir.
sir.
By mistake.
I seen you. 5?
52, sir.
Yes. So,
561, sir.
erased it. 25, 39, 43, 46, 65, 68 are options. Okay. See, last class we did very big problem. If you want again, I will do this on board actually. Or if you okay, if you are able to pop up this, we can go further next problem. What you want? Same problem I want to do again.
Sir, 45 has success in the chat box, sir.
Yeah, there is. 45 we have done 52. Why are you talking? He asked to tell what
Sir,
you will do.
Sir, for 45 had text me in WhatsApp, sir. That's why.
Okay, I understand. What happened here is, oh my God, now he is attending classes. Okay. See, the same problem you want to do me now actually, or I want to do next problem, tell me. That the big problem we done in a square minus x square. What do you want? You want me to do the same problem, or again can I go next problem? 5 by 15 I proved, very good problem I told you. Using partial identity, then inverse transform. What do you want? Tell me, sir. Want me to again the same problem, or can I go to the next problem? Huh? Same problem, huh? Okay. All of you okay? That is very, very important problem. That's why again and again I am asking. Okay, then same problem I start. Just as you can bring all of you my board. Same problem I explains. Very, very important. Are you able to see down? Using partial sanity. See, already I told you in the semester you can remember the 4 values. 5 to the power 4 by 90, 5 to the power 4 by 96. That is the partial sanity in there, where in Foley series we completed. Now, this you can see using this last value. The by system also done. Same problem. Sir, you can mute your mic. Now, okay, yes, my mic is on, desktop mic is on, sorry. So, now, already I told you we proved actually 3 pi by 16, you remember or not? Same problem. There what I done actually, 1 minus x square, mod x less than 1, always 0, mod x greater than a. There we done something, there we done sin t minus t cos t by t cube into, what we proved into who is there? Tell me, into who is there? Sir, please, sir, people are not talking very bad actually, totally I'm upset. Whether it's right or wrong, you can talk, sir. The problem, we done same problem, sin t minus t cos t by t cube into cos s by 2 is equal to, remember or not? Say yes or no at least. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then there what we done actually, cos sx by 2 means put x is equal to what I did, 1 by 2 I done or not. But here cos term is not there, then here what you will do? There I proved actually cos s by 2, that is cos 1 by 2, that is cos s by 2 dt, that is cos t by 2 is equal to pi by 4 pi 3 pi by 16 I proved. Here it's not mixing, means what you will do, missing means cos is not there. There cos s is very good. So it's very good, sir. Thanks, sir. At least you are talking. Very happy I am today. So here you can put something, you will get cos st or cos sx, something you will get, put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means what? By using inverse, you will get f of 0 will get, then slowly we do. But actually question is a is there, their question is 1. So slowly I will write as a put a is equal to 1, what I want to I will bring. Then now can we do, if you know you can do, don't wait for me, I will also do, you can simultaneously you also start, don't wait for me. No, these all results not required for me. Slowly, one by one, I will prove. Automatically, I will get it. You see. Now, see. Very good problem, sir. Now, hereafter, I will do another 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 problems. I will do. Every problem is important. If you write actually, that is test in the in actual mode. Offline mode means what? Guarantee questions. These all are. At least result they may ask if it is MCQ means. Minus infinity to infinity, f of x e power isx dx. X is important. Now, my function running already we are familiar. Mod x less than a means what? My x is running from minus a to a. Mod x greater than a means what? Minus infinity to minus a, then a to infinity. So, whole domain is defined. So, my value will stand only minus a to a only. Remaining all values are 0. So, here what I will write? Minus infinity to minus a waste plus minus a2 plus a, who will come? A square minus x square e power isx dx plus a to infinity is what? 0. So this is waste, this is waste. So who will stand? Minus a to a e power isx dx stand. Copy down, sir, please. This already in the same problems, videos are there available, everything available in our channel. Fourier transforms, one playlist is there. Just you can select playlist, every problem you will get. If you don't see also no problem, just you can see here. Attend the class. More than if you want, you can see. Everything is available there. Next. Now, these two are I will write actually.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this 565, sir, due to poor connection, sir, I was trying to rejoin every time, but it was getting disconnected. So 565 present.
Every day, are you getting any absent?
Sorry, sir.
Are you getting any absent every day?
No, sir.
Then why are you wondering? So I seen your chat box, but why are you daily coming and going? I know who is coming, who is not coming. Every day I'm
Yes,
checking.
sir. Yes.
But
So I want to
are you
inform you
checking
that
your
I was
cycle test
present
method?
very much. Sir. Yes, I can.
Cycle test marks checked or not? Two,
Yes, sir.
three, four,
Marks checked, sir. Got my marks. Math marks.
two, 3, 4 days they will close. After that, if you have anything, if you comes with issues, miss, I can't do. That's what I'm telling again and again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem.
For all of you, not only that boy. Sir, e power isx, if you do directly, you can do using Bernoulli's formula, keeping e power isx. Applying this, maybe you will get sin isx cos ix, e power I in theta plus e power minus I in theta by 2 is equal to cos and theta. Like this, you will get. So I don't want to confuse there. Here itself, e power isx, how can I write? Already I told you in Fourier maximum Fourier transforms, you can use e power isx, I will write cos sx plus I sin sx. So very, very important step for this problem. Now separate two terms. Now, if you write these two terms are a two integral minus a to a square minus x square cos x dx plus I into minus a to a square minus x square sin x dx. Then what conclusion you will do in above integral? First term is what? Even function of x. Correct or not? Second integral odd function of x. Hence second integral become vanish. First integral become 2 into. This all story you can write. Just I'm skipping. I'm not writing anything. In examination you have to write. How you will write? Minus a to a square minus cos square x square cos x dx plus integral again minus a to a square minus x square sin x dx. Then you can mention the above first integral is what? Even function of x. We are integrating with respect to x, even function of x. Second integral is what? Odd function of x. Hence, first integral become twice of 0 to a. Then second integral become vanish. All writing after writing this, I am writing this step. You have to write. I am skipping here. Odd function of x. Then this become what? Copy down all of you, please. Now, we can do Bernoulli's formula. What Bernoulli's formula, while using the Bernoulli's formula, what you will do? One fellow you can do with differentiation, one fellow you can do integration. Which fellow you will take differentiation? After integration, some integration, who will become vanished? That fellow you can take as a u. Who will not stand continuously, that you can take as a v. Now, if you wait Bernoulli's formula, if you use what you will get? A a square minus x square you can keep as is. Cos sx integration is what? With respect to x. Cos sx integration.
Sin sx by s.
Huh? Tell me correct, sir.
Sin sx by s.
There is no minus, confirm?
No minus, sir.
Very good, thank you. Then, how I will write? Sin sx by s minus what you integrated, same thing you can integrate it. Sin sx integration is what? Minus cos sx by s square. Then what you not integrated, you can differentiate. Minus 2x. Start with the plus, minus, again plus. Don't simplify here actually till complete the full integration. Don't simplify the symbols again and again. I'm telling. If you simplify, what you will get? Minus into minus plus. Then cos x integration sin x will get. Whole thing will be collapse. So don't simplify. Anyway, after applying the limits become 0, but you don't know the effect. Sometimes if the value stands means what? The whole thing will be collapse. Here nothing will happen. If you simplify also you don't get anything, you will get the answer. But some problems if you while doing, if you suppose any value stands instead of cos and some other values are there means what? Value stands means what? That time whole problem will collapse. So don't simplify. Start, integrate. What you integrating, the same fellow again you can integrate. Again the same fellow integrate. So again you can differentiate. Then when it stops, after completing you can do what you want. Now this minus cos sx, what I will get, tell me? Then minus 2. Limits are, I think here 1, 2 also there. Zero to a. Now which term will stand, which term will cancel, tell me? Who will stand, who will cancel?
First term will cancel.
First term for both limits cancel, huh? Because well, suppose if you substituted a square minus a square means vanish. Sin 0 waste. So this totally this fellow. You can in the examination what you will do like this means what? When pencil you can strike is equal to 0 you can write. In Fourier series also while doing this is very important. First you can see mentally which function is like 0 totally can check with the pencil you can strike is equal to 0 you can write always. That is better. Now this is what if you apply lower limit here x is equal to what? Waste. If you apply here x is equal to lower limit waste, so the whole term stands for only upper limit. Am I correct or not? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it's very, very important, the same problem we done actually. Remember or not, I don't know. 1 minus x square I done, extra is a coming, limits only. A square minus x square I am doing. So now this is the whole thing waste. Here how many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3. Here how many minuses are there? 2. So this become plus, this become minus. So appearance should be good, I want. So plus fellow I will write front side, minus fellow I will write second term. So S cube because minus into minus plus. Here how many minuses? 1, 2, 3. Minus 2x by x square into cos sx 0 to a. Still I have not applied this time. First one shape I brought it. Now apply limit, lower limit anyway waste, upper limit only stands. So it's become what? Hey, wait, something I am doing wrong. Yes. Nobody can miss. All are sleeping. Now, if you take LCM, now it's become S2. Take LCM. This 2 also, if you want, you can take outside. S2. LCM, if you take, what you will get? Sin AS minus AS cos AS by S3. 4 by root 2 pi. If you want, you can still, if you want, you can cancel. How many times will go? 2 into 2, root 2 times will go 2 root of. So first part, you can see what I want to prove. Once you can check. Correct or not? Hence proved first part. Here this problem is very beautiful. After doing using inverse, one result you will get. But very important, first part and partial identity link. First part and inverse link. There is no link in inverse and partial identity. Don't confuse. If they ask hence deduce means what, you can go for the inverse. Suppose if they are not asked second part, from first part you can go the third part. This problem they make me as they like actually. You should not expect always they will ask the 3 questions. First they will ask, find the Fourier transform of this fellow. First answer not. Hence using the Parsells identity, if they ask pi by 15 means what, from here you can go directly Parsells identity. Suppose they may ask, hence deduce is equal to some pi by 4 is all doing, that inverse. So that time we can think inverse formula using Fourier inverse transform. So think, don't go always, if they ask or not, don't do these all 3. Read question properly, then attack. Shall I above? Shall I above, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, now what I want to do, to prove second part, what I want to do? How I will start problem to prove second part? How I will start, tell me. Sir, second part, how will start, sir? All are there or not? Everyone is there? Hello? Sir, I want to do for everyone is absent. Actually, nobody is responding. What happened? Are you okay or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me second part how we will do. If it is wrong also, no problem. You can speak out. Second part how we will do. Hence deduce means what I said actually. Using inverse Fourier transforms or not? 554 left, 588 left. Very good. By inverse Fourier transform, what you will get? F of x is equal to 1 by root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of x e to the power of minus Ix dx. Now, who is my f of x now? What we got Fourier transform, that result. This is the f of f of x, Fourier transform f of x. Then substitute it there. Then if we take this root 2 cancel, pi root pi root pi into pi, so total value stands 2 by pi. This is equal to f of x minus infinity to infinity. E power minus ix, how can I write? Cos ix dx. Now separate into two terms. What you will get actually? This, if you want this pi by 2 also, you can bring this side. Yes, sorry. Then so this is equal to, I can write the 2 by pi, I will bring this side, pi by 2 f of x. This is very, very important. I want to do something after I will keep there. Now tell me, at least now explain what you will do now. Two integrals written. So first integral is what? Second integral is what? Then what is your conclusion? Sir, if we tell only, next step I will write. What you will do?
We should check for even and odd function.
First integral is what? Even function of what? Even function of what? SI, XR.
Yes.
At 556 left. 556. 556. Second time, 556 third time, 556 fourth time. Okay, good. $556 again joined. Super.
So tell me, sir.
Nothing.
Sorry, I had network issue.
No, just I'm cross checking. Some WhatsApp message maybe you got. Yes, sir, calling again, it came back. Huh?
No, sir, I had a network issue. I can't hear you what you were telling, so that's why I left and came back.
So if we have a network problem, we'll come and go. Sir, you can, okay.
So sorry, sir, sorry.
No problem, no problem. You people argue anything. I don't want to argue because here so many problems are here actually we are facing. class, they are everything they're doing. Actually, something we are doing with a lot of problems with within. But if people are not answering, nothing you are doing, what can I do? Tell me. Okay, no problem. Now, if you have a network problem, no problem. Suppose if I have a network problem will come. That people are not understanding that is. Okay. Now first integral become what? 2 twice of something. Second integral become vanish because you can write in one level, one letter. First integral. Sorry. Right. In above integral, first integral is even function of s. Don't write x because with respect to s I am doing. Second integral is what? Odd function of x. Yes. So first integral become 2 into 0 to infinity. Second integral become vanish. That pi by 2 f of x you can maintain. I will tell you why. Then this 2 also you can take that side. So it's become what? So almost I reached my answer actually. If you see, open your eyes and carefully. Pi by 4. This 2 I am taking this side. It will come to the denominator 2 into 2, 4. So already I reached. Actually, this is something is equal to I want to prove at pi by 4 second part. Almost I reached. Now what I want to do? See the question what is asking, tell me at least. What I want to prove. What I want to prove. What I want to prove, tell me. Sir, see the question. Second part is what? Sin t minus t cos t by t cube is equal to pi by 4. So, here who is the disturbance term? This cos sx is one disturbance term. Then a also disturbance. In my answer, there is no a. Okay, there is no problem. S and t, nothing will happen. I can do something because dummy variable. In integration, variable is dummy. Instead of yes, I will write t. Instead of t, I can write. It's not a big issue. Correct or not? So, what I will do here now? Put x is equal to what? Tell me.
0.
Very good. Thank you, sir. At least one student talking, very happy. Put x is equal to 0. But a is not there. Then what you will do? What about a? A also not there.
1.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. A is equal to 1. But now you can help me. What is my f of x? A square minus x square. Mod x less than a, 0. Mod x greater than a. Now I am writing a is equal to 1. So my f of x slowly become what? 1 minus x square. Mod x is less than 1, 0. Mod x greater than 1. Correct or not? This is given problem. Slowly I am substituting a is equal to 1. Mod x less than slowly. This is my old problem, our old friend actually. Very first problem we done 1 minus x square. This extra is giving a. Now you can see. Now I am substituting a is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means function I can take this function actually. F of 0, 1 minus x square, can I take a is equal to 1? Tell me. Can I take function? Can I take function f of x is equal to 0, 1 minus x square y because my a is equal to 1. So everything satisfying the second function. I am substituting a is equal to 1, x is equal to 0 means what? My function running there minus 1 to 1, my function is 1 minus x square. So I can put x is equal to 0 there. So f of 0 is equal to what? Tell me from here. F of 0 is equal to what? We put x is
1
equal to
minus
0.
x square.
1
1
minus
minus
x
x
square.
square.
Think and tell. F of 0 I am asking.
1.
Very good. It won't come because already in the x place you are putting 0, 1. Getting or not? So f of 0, 1. Now these all are okay. So these are all story I am preparing here. In one side you can write extreme somewhere in your notes as well during the problem. Now come and see here this problem. Put the a is equal to 1. X is equal to 0. This fellow become 1. This is what? F of 0. But f of 0 is equal to what? F of 0 is what? Now only got what value? 1.
1.
So this how can I write actually? 0 to infinity sin s minus s cos s by s cube cos 0 1 ds is equal to pi by 4. That is f of 0. That is equal to 1. I am skipping actually one step we can write f of 0. Next step we can write 1. Now we see second problem what I want to prove that sin t minus t cos t by t cube is equal to pi by 4. Here s also disturbance because in integration indefinite integral different integral what? Variable is dummy. If you put x square 0 to 1 x square dx also same, t square dt 0 to 1 also same. So I can write s is equal to t because I want that shape, or you can stop here, nothing will happen. So hence proved second part. Copy down all of you. Hence proved second part. Now already I told you first and second is one problem, then first and third. If they ask hence prove that this part you can come for the inverse. Suppose find the Fourier transforms using partial side difference, you can go for the third part. Don't worry about the inverse Fourier transforms. Read the problem properly, then you can do. Getting or not? Now third part what I want to prove that using partial identity. Now what is partial identity? Tell me. What is parcelless identity? See sir, at least notes is there, just refer, at least nobody will see what I am doing, I am not able to see from here. Open the notes and tell PDF notes is there, everything is there.
Hello.
Yes. Who is there? Tell me sir, what is partial identity? See, I proved given one problem, found it actually possible, that is what Fourier transform. Then we got using inverse Fourier transform, one result we done. This problem they will ask three parts. I told you if they ask hence deduce using this pi by 4 means you can come to the inverse Fourier transform. Otherwise there is no relation to first, second one part. First, third one part. If they ask directly, if they are not asking second part, if they go directly using partials means what? No need to find the inverse Fourier transform. Getting or not? Now what is partial identity? Tell me. Everyone is there or not? Sir, all your 62 students go and check up for medical checkup. What happened, I don't know with you. Anybody are affected psychologically, or I don't know. Nobody opening your mouth. Or I have to check myself for taking you class. At least if you know that, tell the answer. Identify. If you don't know, sir, I don't know, you can tell. I'm very happy. This is the Parseval's identity. Correct? Now, who is my f of x? Who is my f of x? Sir, what is my f of x? You see, clearly it is visible here. What is my f of x?
A square minus x.
A square minus x square. The limit is running from where to where?
Minus A to A.
Very good. So instead of minus infinity to A is what? A to A. What is my f of transform? F of x, what I got? Tell me. What is my f of s? Nobody copying, I think, is what I am telling. 2 into root 2 by pi sin as minus as cos s cube. Got it or not? Same answer, different answer I got.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Same answer or not? So, what I will do slowly, I will substitute it here. See, correct or not, what I written? Correct or not, what I written? Now, actually, answer there is no A. If you want, put that is also first you can write even function. This also both are even function. I can write because my limit is what 2 into 0 to infinity. So, 2 into 0 to A. Because this is even function. This is also even. Normally, if you look at odd, because of square, it's become even. This become what? 4 into 2, 8 by pi. This 2 also can cancel. Now answer also there is no A. So what you will do? Put A is equal to 1. There is no A. Just you can write put A is equal to 1. So this become what? So somewhat I am reaching. Now this you can expand, apply the limits, integrated limits, automatically what you want to prove that pi by 15. This if you want you can bring pi by 8 also you can bring this side. First you can expand, then you can integrate. A minus b all square. A square plus b square minus 2ab dx. If you want, you can bring this 8 by 5 also, you can bring this side 5 by 8. Then 0 to infinity sin s minus s cos s by s cube whole square into dx. Then 0 to infinity sin s minus s cos s by s cube. There is no voice required, sir. Just you can copy down. Integrate. What you will get? X. Lower limit totally vanish, upper limit only stands. So this whole result I got. But answer in terms of t means variable is dummy. If you want, you can write s is equal to t. Hence proved third part. So 3 parts we completed. Very important question. Yes. Tell me, sir, everybody is there or not?
Yes, sir.
517
Yes, sir.
on your
Yes,
video.
sir. Present, sir. Sir.
Okay, listening or not? Why people are not responding?
Listening only, sir.
Aditya is there. Aditya Pandi. Aditya Pandi. Are you there? Ayush. Aparna. Abhinesh. Ankit.
Abhinesh.
Sir, Abharna.
Sir, Abhinesh.
What are you doing actually there or not?
There only, sir.
But no people are answering. What happened? Are you okay? All of you. Ashirva MVT is comes in two systems. Ashirva. Ashire MVT. Are you there? No. Ashwin Kumar? Logeshwaran, are you there? Logeshwaran. Lokesh Nagamani.
Sir, Logeshwaran.
Why are you not responding immediately? Pushpal Das, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Putta Prasad. Rana Singh, are you there? Sir, for my purpose, you don't attend. Please kindly attend the class. That I can tell you. Devi, are you there? Devi. Devi R. Kausalya J, are you there? Kausalya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Govinda Giridhar, are you there?
Yes.
Rahuri Rohit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Swagitika Priyadarshini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Kerram City Ima,
Sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
But why people are not answering? Suppose if I ask some question, what is the problem with you? Tell me. Right or wrong? Speak out. I need you want to me speak actually. If it is wrong also something you can tell. Only one boy only at something, some whole city, some boy only is only continuously answering. Nobody is answering, and another boy. Shruti, are you there? Shruti,
Yes,
what
sir.
happened?
Sir, actually, I didn't understand.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, actually, I have missed some of the lectures, so I didn't understand anything in Unit
Hey,
3.
for understanding nothing
So
is there.
that's
I am not doing integration also here, frankly. Just formula writing, even and odd zero, just we are doing. Then Bernoulli's formula, what is there actually? If people are not concentrating day by day, just coming and putting your audio, video off, and you're somewhere you're roaming, I think so. You people. It's very bad, sir. We are paying lot of pain. This online class is not a joke. We are doing lot of things, but if people are not understanding. Try to understand, answer. If it is wrong, also no problem. But I am a scolding nothing. We do it wrong means what? If you don't know this, you will tell wrong answer. What is there? You won't do anything. Mallu Chandra is there.
Yes, sir.
Prachi Gautam is there. Prachi Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Prachi Gautam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now only entered, Are you attending classes? Vaidehi, we.
No, sir. I'm
Okay,
not
good.
starting.
Vaidehi, we.
Yes, sir.
Guda Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Yerraguntla.
Yes, sir.
No. I am not asking Geddam. Yerraguntla. It's Chaudhary. Why mic not working? Vishnupriya. Vishnupriya.
Yes, sir.
Bonapalli. Boinapalli.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Darshika.
Yes, sir.
Deepya. Deepya. Devi R. Devi. Devi R. Okay. The next problem. That is also very, very important question. This is not down. This problem very, very important. The 3 pi by 16 and pi by 15. Same problem only. Next. Okay. Find the Fourier transform of f of x. Very, very important question. Suppose anywhere if you see some space or power formula sketching for the partial identity. So hence deduce means but after reaching this you will think what I want to do inverse as partial. Suppose space, power formula, think logically. First we do Fourier transform of f of x. See what is asking actually find the Fourier transform of f of x 1 minus mod x. This is also very dangerous situation. Mod x is very dangerous. Mod x means not always positive. 1 minus mod x is even. Suppose just 1 minus f x means collapse. So depend on limits, you can carefully. That nature should not change. That should be always follows this fashion is what mod x means what term will x value is positive only. That should maintain always. Now right. First we do the Fourier transform. Then I will go slowly. What is tell me formula? Fourier transform f of x is what? Dx. But my limit is running from -1 to 1, remaining all values are 0. So mod x less than 1 means what? -1 less than x less than 1. Mod x greater than 1 means what? Minus infinity to 1, then -1, 1 to infinity. So minus infinity to -1, 0, plus -1 to 1. What is my function? 1 minus mod x. See, this mod x don't disturb. Still, if you tell even function. If you write 1 minus x means the whole thing collapse. Dx plus 1 to infinity 0. So this fellow waste. Who will stands actually? -1 to 1, 1 minus mod x e power isx stands. This e power isx, can I write cos sx plus I sin sx? Tell me. Yes or no? E power isx, can I write cos sx plus I sin sx?
Yes, sir.
Very good. But this mod x don't remove till if I announce for even function. Otherwise, the whole thing collapse. Now split into two integrals. Now we can write x actually. 0 to 1 mod x is equal to nothing but x only. Up to now we can maintain mod x. This is 0. Am I correct up to here? Okay, yeah. Any problem?
Yes.
Okay, up to here. Okay, then what I will do? This is nothing but a very simple integration. When one is found, I can apply. Who is u? 1 minus x you can take as a u. V you can take a cos x, because 1 minus x after sometimes it becomes 0. So which term becomes 0, that you can take as a u. So 2 ways will go. If you apply 1 minus x, you can keep as it is. Cos sx integration is what? Cos sx integration. Very good. Sin sx by s minus what you integrated, same thing you can integrate, minus cos sx by s square. Then what you not integrated, that you can differentiate. Next time if you do integration, minus 1 becomes 0, so I will stop here. Then 0 to 1. If you apply the upper limit means what? 1 minus 1 0. If you apply the lower limit sin 0 0, so totally this fellow 0 waste. How many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3. So output is what? Output is what? Minus or plus? Very good. Minus cos 0 to 1. If we apply the upper limit, what I will get? Minus cos s. While applying the lower limit, we can give 1 minus. Already minus is there, so minus minus plus. Denominator s square. Correct or not? Now suppose if they ask can you deduce means what? So they have a whole power 4 asking. Suppose 1 minus cos is also I can write what? 1 minus cos theta formula, anyone remember? 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to something, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to something. Tell me. Studied in +2 level, half angle formulas. In integration also very, very important. Plus means you will write 2 cos square theta. Minus means 2 sin square theta. In integration anywhere if you get cos square means what? Immediately you will do 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Half angle. Suppose their cos square 10 theta means what is become 20 theta. Their theta is 2 theta. Suppose their phi means here 10. That's why it's called half angle formulas. Very, very important. Anywhere if you see the sin cube x, cos cube x means what, you will use sin 3 theta for sin 4x formulas. This already you are done in lower extent. I don't want to stress too much. So this you can keep. Now what I want to do, something a whole square I want. Okay, no problem. So here above, top, right. By Parseval's identity, what is the formula Parseval's identity? So this is the window, Parseval's identity. Already in my hand f of s is available. This is nothing but actually f of s. Then who is f of x also available in my hand. So what I will do slowly. Whole square dx, dx is equal to who will get this whole fellow whole square. Minus infinity to infinity, root 2 by pi, 1 minus cos s by s square, whole square dx. And now Actually, I never do integration. Just a magic I will do. I want to bring this side something. LSS class like LSS 1040 का प्रो फोन Clear up to here? Now simplify slowly. This is it. Oh, sorry. All are sleeping. This is what? 1 minus mod x is valid only minus 1 to 1. Now, if you make it square means what you get? 2 by pi you will get. Then this 1 minus mod x you can maintain y, I will tell you. Dx 2 by pi minus infinity to infinity 1 minus cos s by s square whole square ds. Now 1 minus mod x even function or odd function? 1 minus x even function or odd function?
Even, sir.
Even. 1 minus x?
Neither even, neither odd.
Very good, super, excellent. 1 minus x is neither even nor odd, but 1 minus mod x, because of this modulus nature, this is even. So I can write 2 into 0 to 1 minus mod x, but in domain 0 to 1, mod x and x are both are same. I can write 1 minus x. Correct or not? So slowly we can, but this fellow is even or odd. 1 minus cos s by s square even function or odd function. 1 minus cos s by s square even function or odd function? Change s by minus s, what we have?
Even.
So left side also even, right side also even. So slowly I can write. Very important question, sir. 0 to 1. Now I can write barely 1 minus x whole square dx. Then 2 into 2 by pi 0 to infinity 1 minus cos s by s square whole square ds. Something is asking, sin t by t is asking, but my answer in terms of 1 minus cos is there. So slowly I will change what I want in that shape, I will bring out. Because I want in terms of sin, with me cos is there, no problem. I know the sum formula, I will manipulate. So, this pi by 2 by pi, you can bring this side, pi by 2, 0 to 1. Dx. Right. Sir, 1 minus x can I integrate directly? 1 minus x whole square, or you want to expand? Tell me. I think you become tired actually. People are seeing my video itself tired, but I am shouting from 9 to 10:30 till. One minus x, how can you integrate? Any idea? 1 minus x whole square, something you can do what? A square plus b square plus minus 2ab, that is one way. In another way is there. What is that? How you
1
will do?
minus x whole cube by minus 1.
Very good. What is that name? In integration, anywhere if you get the linear concept, what you will take? You can take it as a x after integration divided by what? X coefficient. Correct or not? Am I correct? Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can use a linear concept. So if you want, you can use that, or you can integrate. That's your wish. But still, this side only problem. This side anyway will get something. Pi by 2. What is said is correct. 1 minus x whole cube by that minus 3. 0 to 1. So minus I am writing. Upper limit waste. If you apply the lower limit is what? 0 means what? So you will get 5 by 6. Correct? Any doubt? 1 minus x whole cube by 3 minus 3. Then upper limit waste, lower limit 1 minus will come. Minus this 0. Right? So this is simplified. Now come this side actually. Now this how we will do. Now only story will start. How you will do? Almost completed. We reached till end point. Almost we are reaching the terminal. Tell me, sir. Tell me. Correct. Tell me, yaar.
2 sin square x is by 2.
2 sin
Square is by 2.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Super. Nice. This is 1 minus cos 2 theta means I will get 2 sin square theta, not 2 sin. Sin square also will get 2 sin square. But this is what S means what here? S means here suppose 10 means what? There 5. Here 20 means what? There 10. Here 100 means what? There 50. Here N means what? There N by 2. So here 1 means what? 1 by 2 you get. So some people they will write output tax is equal to 2t, they will change. Nothing will happen, everything same only. Some textbooks they will follow put tax is equal to 2t. Then they will write everything because then they will write the size that I don't want. Whatever will be same story. As t is I am attacking. 1 minus cos is how can I write, sir? 2 sin square s by 2. This is s square whole square. Any problem? 5 by 6. Now this 2 square if comes out means what? It will become 4. If it goes that side means what? 6 into 4 how much?
24.
See, sin square whole square sin power 4. Somewhat happily I am getting. So is equal to what? This 2 square comes out. That is goes 6 into 4 24. Slowly I am doing. Now still my problem is there. Actually if you write it, see. So they are about tough. This if you want you can write nicely. Sin to the power of 4 by s by 2. Then this is what? S to the power of 4. Sorry, ds is there. ds is equal to who will come? 5 by 24. Now actually what is my result actually? Sin t by t whole power 4. So who is disturbance here? Who is disturbance? S by 2. So put x by 2 is equal to t. What will happen is see. I am substituting now in substitution. This is not like that I am writing. Put x by 2 is equal to t. So ds is equal to 2 dt. In integration, in different integrals, suppose if you substitute means what? These are the limits for s limit. Now we are introducing the new variable t. For t, what are the limits you should tell? For t, what limits you should tell? So a lower limit is what? S is equal to 0. If you put s is equal to 0, t become what? 0 by 2. So implies t also 0. Upper limit is what? So this is very, very important. While you are substituting, you have to tell the new limits for the new function. We are introducing one new variable. You are having in your hand old variable limits. Once if you introduce, what you will do, immediately can tell you what are the new limits actually for the new variable. That is very, very important because my variable is changing slowly in terms of t. So upper limit when s is equal to infinity, t is equal to what? What is t? Infinity. So this whole fellow become what? 0 to infinity. S by 2 I am putting t. So no problem. Then s become what? S become what?
16t.
Huh? S is equal to what?
2t.
Very good, very good. Nice, nice. More than one student you are talking. Very happy. 2t whole power 4. But dt is equal to what? dt is equal to what? Sorry, ds is equal to
2dt.
2dt. Very good. Is equal to who? 5 by 24. See, slowly I reached. Very, very good problem actually. If you write gate exam like this, they may ask actually one question immediately like this. So this 2, this become 2 cube. Correct or not? So this how many times will go?
3 times.
3 times. dt is equal to hence proved. Very, very important. Okay. Sir, whether you feel bored or not, you have to stay with me up to November 12. There is no way escaping. You have to answer me because there is no, in pandemic situation, we cannot go. In regular class means that is different story. We enjoy a lot. Here we cannot actually. So try to understand, attend class, at least speak out with me, whether it's right or wrong. If you want to feel bored means what 5 minutes, if you fight with me also no problem. I will also fight me 5 minutes by fight. Then I will come back normal position. Don't sit idly like a deaf and dumb. It's very bad situation for me. Okay, understanding or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
This thing can fight with me, no problem. 5 minutes, 5. We can fight together. Then we can come back normal position. Okay. Don't sit idly. How you are feeling? They're bored. They are not getting bored. Simply saying like this. This is something you can talk. 1 second, 1 minute you can talk and go back silently. Okay, this is okay or not? So these
Okay.
2 problems are very important. Next, another 2 problems are there. The same thing. They will give one sin t by t is equal to something, sin t by t whole square is equal to something. Then 1 by x square plus a square whole square, evaluation of integration. Then x square by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. So another 1, 2, 3 or 4 problems for this chapter wash out. Next 4, that is what jet transforms. Initially you will feel somewhat tough, and after that only 1 or 2 class you will feel bored actually. That is what jet transforms. After that nothing. That is also we can complete within 5 days also. Why I am going very slowly? You have to understand. These all problems are there in channel. You can see this actually. This is also I am uploading in my channel actually. There are voice everything clear actually. Separately you have a one playlist. SRM, IST, GMeet, ECEIN, CSC, K1 classes. Date wise is there. If you put date wise which date you have class, there you will get all this class information. Just you can check.
Okay.
Yes, tell me. What you want?
Nothing,
Tell
sir.
me,
You
sir.
just said okay.
Okay, sir. You can leave class. Bye.